In this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana on Binance and send into Phantom. So what you need to do, if you have any crypto and you love to convert to Solana, what you need to do right now, tap on the trade. Then you can be able to come on here and select the crypto you love to convert. So let me say if you have one BNB, or if you have some part of Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can be able to come on here, you can convert it to Solana. So once I've converted it, this is sold. Once I'm done with the conversion, you can be able to withdraw it. So watch a video how to withdraw Solana from Binance. So once you have withdrawn, like if you want to withdraw it, once you have bought your Solana, if you have some crypto, you can convert it to Sol. Or you can be able to add funds if you want. You can deposit assets, receive via Binance Pay, deposit USD, any of these. Remember to convert it to Solana. So once you're done with the conversion, you need to go to your Phantom wallet. So come on here, tap Phantom. So this is the Phantom. So once you tap on the receive, the first option is going to be Solana wallet. So copy it. So once I've copied it, go back to your Binance. So this is Binance. You need to tap on this. You need to find Solana because you want to withdraw it. Yeah, you want to withdraw it. You tap on the send. Tap on the send. You see withdraw asset. So if you have Solana right here, you have copied your Phantom wallet address, your Solana. So tap on the Sol. So this is Sol. So you can be able to come on here, that wallet address you copied from Phantom wallet, paste it here. The network should be Solana. Then enter the minimum amount. Once you are done, tap on the withdraw. You're going to be able to withdraw your Solana from Binance to your Phantom wallet after you have bought Solana. Remember, for you to be able to buy Solana, you need to have some previous assets. You get. So once I've converted it, you can be able to convert it from this option. Or if you don't have any assets, you can be able to add funds and purchase it if you want. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.